Okay, this is how I clean my Traeger. There's a million different ways to do this, but this is just how I do it. I take out the original grill. No, let's not do that yet. I'm going to grab my wire brush and get as much off as I can. I'm going to take it off. Set it over here, maybe. And then I'm going to take out the drip tray. Take this out. And now I expose the inner parts. And you can see how much ash and stuff collects in here. So the next thing I do is I just take this out. And then I just use this, and I just kind of get all the stuff that's on the sides so that I can vacuum that up too. So you can see, maybe you can see, over time, chunks accumulate into here and it builds up all the ash. And then therefore, a lot of times you get inconsistent heat because it's mixing with the new pellets plus the ash. So sometimes it could be, if you have a set at 300, it could be 150, and then all of a sudden once the pellets drop in, it can end up being, 400, whether you are wanting that or not. So by doing this, cleaning this kind of regularly, depends on how often you use it, that way you can not have that problem. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum this out right now. Okay, quick and easy. Now the next thing I do, since it's all clean, is I take a handful of pellets and put them back in here so that it has an easier time starting your flame the next time you use it. If not, then you would have to wait for the auger to spin to put a bunch in there. Just a time-saving thing for me. But other than that, it's good to go. I put this back. And then I will be removing all this and putting new foil on. So it's just putting new foil back on before I put it in there. The grill goes back on. All done.